We also have with us Mr. Tehmasp Printer. Mr. Printer, you are one of the biggest certifiers of diamond in the country, and we also understand that you recently have certified a lab-grown diamond, and it's the biggest in India. What is the market looking like when we have lab-grown diamonds, and what is this biggest diamond ever all about?
Yes, Manisha, this is entirely made in India. It has been grown in India by Ethereal, and it has also been polished in India, and it is of course certified in India by IGI. So the entire process, from the inception to the certification, it's done in India, and we are very proud of it. It's 14.6 carat stone, which is the largest lab-grown stone grown in India. And because it coincided with the Independence Day of India, we have termed it as the Freedom of India diamond. So, really speaking, it's a completely made in India diamond.
Okay. Mr. Printer, also, would you say that the market has matured when it comes to differentiating between the natural and the lab-grown diamonds? Because when you look at the lab-grown diamonds, this market also seems to be standing at almost $1 billion in India itself.
See, frankly, what happens is the atomic structure, the crystallography of both the diamonds is identical. Both are made of carbon. So, in fact, that makes it much more difficult to distinguish between the two. In IGI, we have the processes, we have the scientific equipment, as well as the scientific expertise to identify a natural diamond along with the lab-grown diamond. See, the thing is, the most important aspect here is that both have a market. Economically, one is much cheaper than the other. So the natural diamonds, of course, are earth mined, and they are more expensive. And the lab-grown diamonds are significantly cheaper. But that doesn't mean that there is any difference between the two diamonds. You understand that? So it takes a lot of expertise to distinguish between the two, because you don't want to palm off a lab-grown diamond as a natural diamond. So the consumer should always get it certified by IGI, hopefully, and as long as it is certified that the origin is known, you have peace of mind. And furthermore, IGI is the only laboratory in the world which has been awarded the ISO 17025 accreditation for laboratory grown diamonds. So we are the only lab in the world, not just in India, to have this ISO certification.
So as far as you know what diamond it is and it is certified, you have a peace of mind. I have a final question. You spoke about the price difference between the natural and the lab grown. At this point in time, where does that stand?
See, the difference can be anything between 25 and 35%. It depends, of course, it also depends on the supply and demand. So, at certain point in time, you get a better discount on lab growns, and certain point in time, you can get a higher discount or a lesser discount, But what happens is, it has brought back the consumers back into the diamond fold. So this is one stepping stone that, initially, if you cannot really afford, but you really would like to have a diamond, you can actually go in for a lab-grown diamond, which is the same. And then, when you have the money, upgrade yourself to a natural diamond. So it is a progressive equation.
All right, we get that, Mr. Printer. Thank you so much for joining us and making us understand the differentiation between the two and the fact that both the markets are increasing, and it's billions of dollars worth of business here in India, which is only expected to grow in this year in 2021. Thank you so much for that. With that, it's a wrap up on this edition of Commodity Champions. Many thanks for watching.